Let's turn it to you first, to give us a little bit of a sense of how this was for you and what you liked about the program.
So we were on track to have our best year ever.
Wow.
Then came COVID. So of course, all retail was shut down. The one thing that was wow was really just opening your mind to doing different things, not being closed-minded and sticking to the same way you're doing business. You don't just throw in the towel because it's a pandemic and I sell swimwear and nobody's going anywhere, so I'm just going to close. No, you have to find ways to make it work. Well, we've actually doubled our sales this October, where October is usually our slowest month of the year.
I also like to get feedback from everyone. I think that was very helpful. Sometimes you're kind of stuck in your own bubble and it takes outside people to kind of help you see things in a different way.
I think this was a great opportunity to meet new people, get some ideas, kind of confirm that a lot of the things that we were trying were good ideas. And like I said, get some good ideas from other people as well as you guys, other professionals on some things that we can try.
And it was great to hear from people from other industries what they're doing, because sometimes I'm just focused on my industry, and hearing someone from the outside doing something different, I'm able to take a piece of that and incorporate it into my operations.
This has been a wonderful opportunity for us at the university to reach out to the business community and to work with the Shift Group and to show that Stony Brook and business can do very positive things.